This is TV18 and you are watching CNN IBN.
कल से अनशन शुरू होगा। जब तक लोकपाल बिल नहीं बनेगा तब तक दिल्ली से मैं वापस महाराष्ट्र में नहीं जाऊंगा।
UPA government has finally agreed to table the Jan Lokpal bill in parliament.
CNN IBN gets you the news and all the voices.
Are they listening to people's voices?
Lokpal bill is ineffective, it is weak.
Leaders' opinions.
Tomorrow, this same argument by which you bypass the standing committee will be used to bypass parliament itself.
The biggest story in recent times.
Withdraw the government bill draft.
Anna Hazare will be calling off his fast once that resolution has been passed.
We capture it all.
Parliament debates the Lokpal bill that aims to curb corruption.
आप इस बिल को आज वापस लीजिए, इसको वापस संविधान सम्मत बना करके यहाँ लेकर के आइए।
ये कोई सशक्त लोकपाल बिल नहीं है।
543 members of this house will finally decide what will be the fate of Lokpal.
30 तारीख को सोनिया गांधी जी के घर के सामने हमारा धरना हो जाएगा।
Those in favor may say aye.
Two landmark anti-corruption bills, the Lokpal and Whistleblowers Bill, have been passed in the Lok Sabha after a marathon 13-hour session.
The motion is carried by a majority of the total membership of the House.
But the government suffered a major embarrassment, falling short of numbers to make Lokpal a constitutional body.
The required number should be 50% of the total and 2/3 of the present and voting. 50% of the total is not there.
That the Lok Sabha did not give constitutional status to Lokpal.
In Mumbai, Anna's health has worsened, but he's refusing to call off the fast. Will the bill now pass muster at the Rajya Sabha? Non-stop coverage on CNN IBN through the day.
ये आंदोलन जो खड़ा हुआ है, ये आजादी की दूसरी लड़ाई है अभी।
भ्रष्टाचार को खत्म करो, भ्रष्टाचार को खत्म करो। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। अन्ना हजारे, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
Nation is taken for a ride by this all corrupt people actually. If we common man don't raise to this cause, who will raise it?
कि एक विश्व कप धोनी की कप्तानी में भारत जीत करके लाया है और दूसरा विश्व कप जो चल रहा है भ्रष्टाचार को हटाने का, वो अन्ना हजारे के नेतृत्व में पूरा देश जीते।
From 9 in the morning, there was heavy police presence.
Now just to give you a glimpse of what the Ramlila Maidan looks like.
Unending shifts, constant updates, round-the-clock reportage.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Weather बहुत खराब है।
ऑफिस लगातार लाइव ले रहा है।
It's exhausting. It's been a relentless week of covering Anna Hazare and his fast against corruption.
Waking up 5 o'clock in the morning and going to bed at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. I always enjoy it. That's why I'm here.
For television journalists, the battle for TRPs means going that extra mile to get the best footage or soundbite.
There's just so much of crowd, you can't even hear yourself.
The minute you bring out your mic, they just want to rush towards you.
From reporters to video journalists to camera assistants and drivers, it has meant not missing a single shot or a soundbite.
7 या 8 किलो का जो कंधे में रखेंगे, कभी इधर कभी उधर.
For the print media too, it's all about braving the crowds to get that one image that can make it to the front page.
अपना इक्विपमेंट वगैरह बड़ा बचा के काम करना पड़ता है.
You are covering an event, which is quite important in history.
The foreign media too joined in the fray, amazed at the sheer numbers that the man from Ralegaon Siddhi managed to draw in.
And I don't mind the heat because the atmosphere is fantastic.
From Mayur Vihar to Tihar, from Chhatrasal Stadium to India Gate, from Rajghat to the Ramlila grounds, it's been Mission Anna all the way. Now the one question on everyone's lips, where next?